Doncic. One-on-one, the pump fake, lets off the shot anyway. Defender didn't bite. Doncic. Doncic, Morgan going to work again. The amount of stats he puts up. Foul is. The amount of stats he puts up. Foul is called and one. And Doncic makes that happen. Doncic makes. Shot is way off, but Doncic, offensive rebound, and one play again. Luca magic. Staring at me here. They just got to deal with this. Spells with the City Bulls and Chicago. What a pass from Luca Doncic. Screen comes up from Doncic. Oh, Luca. Doncic to the corner. 3 ball. Goes up. It's Doncic. And one. It's Montenegro roster. Oh, on the buzzer. Nearly. There it goes. The buzzer. Luca Doncic. Vucevic, as you can see there, 1 for 5 from 2-point territory. Another kick to the corner, and the three's good. Inside Morgan. He goes to the left hand. Morgan sets the down screen. Oh, wow. Doncic off the dribble. Inside hand finish off the glass. He's got a step back in him. Pump fake. Can he make it this time? No, he can't. He gets his own rebound, no, and the finish is good. Break, 3v2 situation. Luca Doncic just goes by him. Bounce pass to Luca. Beautiful bounce. Montenegro. Doncic with another assist to his name. Back to basket. Skipped across again. It's Doncic. Oh, D-Match goes. Doncic, step back, money. Doncic 1-on-1 with Perry, double team, kicks it out. Ball rotation, 3 ball. It's money. On fire from behind the arc he is. Doncic, he's gonna reply. Yes, he'll reply.